serve.
Here we go, this is a good one. Whoa!
It's a great shot.
We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it.
I got some bad ideas in my head, I just...
Dá xerecada por cima da pica, faz sua puta, tá vazia. Dá xerecada por cima da pica, faz sua puta, caralho. Essa piranha do Parque União, essa de vazia.
The head-on shot, quite possibly one of the most aggressive photos you can take of a...
If one day speed ever kills me, just know that it wasn't in any of my cars because they don't fucking work.
Perks of owning a Ford Explorer.
Petty chump.
E são apenas palavras, só me perseguem longe de vida breve. E a sua mente embaralha nas rimas, somente ao lado vai.
I'm stronger, I'm smarter, I'm better, I am better!
Here are 7 modern sleeper cars that you should be afraid to race against. The Ford Flex. It does 0 to 60 in 6 seconds, comes equipped with all-wheel drive, and has a twin-turbo V6 pumping out 365 horsepower. It also looks as though it should be hauling surfboards to the beach. This is the Ford Flex EcoBoost all-wheel drive, and it's probably one of the best sleeper cars of the bunch. With an MSRP of $50,000, it's definitely not cheap, but thoroughly spanking the vast amount of performance sedans in a light-to-light drag race is priceless.
Tô fica de 4, bota a mão na minha nuca, na sequência do machuca. Machuca, 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 machuca.
She just stole that guy's gas. I think he noticed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he sees her. She's so busted. She's so busted. Come on, go confront her. What are you doing, bro? Yo, confront her. Wait.
Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe.
That car got a forehead built like nobody.
Hellcat cop car we have found.
I spotted it. Look at that shit. But y'all be careful, boy. He gonna get your ass.
My
diamonds flawless off. I said these bitches surface, yeah.
My truck louder than your truck, and my red wine's a little more blue. You might think that you're it.
I be like bitch as long as I could bust nuts fast. We don't give a fuck about no bitch.
Levanta a mão, quem gosta de bucetão, enfia no bucetão, enfia no bucetão.
Hip pitiful, all these little bitty bitches my chillins. And mama, don't worry, you raised the gangster, I'm a survivor.
Wake up, filthy.
You can't handle the Uber instincts of my Uber autism. Observe.
Traffic flows in one direction around a central island. So how exactly do you navigate a roundabout? Many inexperienced drivers are intimidated by their unique layout. However, in this video, we will show you exactly how to navigate through them, and you'll find that they are actually not complicated at all. Let's start by remain inside the roundabout until the third exit. An excellent first performance. But there was one thing you missed. Did you see the problem? Of course. For the entire duration was a single-seat, twin-engine, super-maneuverable Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker E air defense fighter observing you this whole time.
Oh, dude, this is my favorite.
Machuca, 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 machuca.
Mr. Bombastic, bomba fantastic.